Welcome to Factic. Today we are diving into the DJI Avata 3. This drone is designed for those who love the thrill of FPV flying but also want smooth and high-quality footage. It brings better speed, a more advanced camera, and improved safety features. It is made for content creators, drone hobbyists, and professionals who want to take their aerial shots to the next level. The Avata 3 comes with an upgraded camera system, better stability, and a longer flight time. This means you can capture stunning shots without worrying about shaky footage or losing control. It is also built tough with a compact and aerodynamic design that improves handling, whether you are flying through tight spaces or capturing wide landscapes. This drone delivers an amazing experience. So, is this the ultimate FPV drone? Let's go through its features and see if it lives up to the hype. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Factic for more tech reviews. The DJI Avata 3 is built with a powerful 4K camera that delivers crisp and detailed footage. The colors look natural and vibrant, making every shot stand out. Whether you are capturing fast action scenes or smooth cinematic shots, the camera ensures high-quality results. One of the biggest upgrades is the improved gimbal stabilization system. This means even when the drone moves fast or changes direction suddenly, the footage stays steady. This is especially useful for content creators who need professional-level video without extra post-processing work. The camera also supports HDR video, which improves brightness and contrast in different lighting conditions. Shadows and highlights look more balanced, so you get better details even in tricky environments. If you shoot in different resolutions and frame rates, you have more creative control over how your footage looks. The drone itself is compact, tough, and lightweight. It is built to handle the fast and sometimes unpredictable movements of FPV flying without breaking easily. The strong materials protect it from minor crashes and impacts, so you do not have to worry about small accidents. Its aerodynamic design reduces air resistance, helping it move smoothly and quickly. This makes it easier to perform dynamic aerial maneuvers like sharp turns and high-speed dives. Plus, the built-in LED lights improve visibility during low-light conditions. Making night flying more practical. Flight performance is another strong area for the Avata 3. It is highly responsive with precise controls, making it easy to handle, even for those new to FPV drones. The upgraded propulsion system improves speed and agility, allowing for smoother and faster movement. Battery life is extended, giving you up to 25 minutes of flight time. This means you can fly longer without needing to land and swap batteries frequently. The advanced obstacle sensors detect objects in all directions, helping to prevent crashes and making flying safer, even in challenging environments. This drone works seamlessly with DJI's latest FPV goggles and controllers. The goggles provide a live, high-resolution view with minimal delay. This means you can see exactly what the drone sees in real time, making flying more immersive and precise. There are different flight modes available, allowing you to choose between manual control and assisted modes. If you are new to FPV flying, the assisted mode makes it easier to learn, while experienced pilots can switch to manual for full control. Safety is a key focus of the Avata 3. The smart obstacle avoidance system detects objects around the drone and helps it navigate safely. This reduces the chances of accidents and ensures smoother flights. The return to home feature automatically brings the drone back to its starting point if the battery gets low or the signal is lost. Geofencing technology prevents the drone from flying into restricted areas, helping you stay compliant with local regulations. This is an important feature for those who fly in different locations and need to follow airspace rules. The battery system is also improved, allowing for faster charging and quick swaps. This minimizes downtime so you can keep flying without long breaks. The remote control is designed for comfort and precision. It has an ergonomic shape that makes it easy to hold for long periods. Customizable buttons let you access key functions quickly, and the long-range transmission ensures stable connectivity over vast distances. You can also connect it to the DJI Fly app to access real-time flight data and adjust settings easily if you ever lose your drone. The Find My Drone feature helps track its last location. It also has an audio signal that helps you locate it faster. This is useful if it lands in tall grass or a hard-to-see area, making retrieval easier. The DJI Avata 3 is a fantastic FPV drone that combines high-performance, safety, and an incredible flying experience. Its powerful camera delivers stunning footage, while its improved stability and safety features make it easier to fly. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, This drone offers a great balance of control and creative possibilities. The longer flight time means you can spend more time in the air capturing the perfect shot. Its tough design helps it handle the demands of FPV flying without breaking easily, and the advanced sensors keep your flights safe and smooth. If you are looking for a drone that delivers professional-level footage with an exciting FPV experience, the Avata 3 is a solid choice. Thanks for watching Factic. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video and leave a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on the Avata 3. Would you buy this drone, or are you waiting for something better? Also subscribe to Factic for more tech reviews and stay tuned for our next video.